Forget everything you think you know. This Supertrend indicator is the only thing to use. Stop trading on your broker platform, stop risking your money, stop hallucinating, and just use this Supertrend indicator on Abbado.com. This is the only way to trade. We were using this Supertrend indicator for years that we custom built with the range bars on institutional grade software, but it was never available to the public until we found it on Abbado.com. So stop wasting your time and use the Supertrend indicator here. It's the only way to trade with the range bars mixed with the daily bar and the range bars to confirm your entry and exits. This is all you need. Do not do anything else. Look, all you got to do is set up the Supertrend indicator on your chart on Abbado and set the ranges, for example, 5 minutes, and confirm the trend on the daily chart to just trade in the direction of the range bars and the Supertrend indicator. For example, look, we entered right here and exited all the way down here, and that is well over 1,000 points right there, guys. This is all it takes. Repeat this process over and over again with the range bars, calling out the signal on when to enter and exit, and then confirm it with the daily candle to see the trend direction of the day. And finally, use the super trend indicator to follow it and ride it all the way up or ride it all the way down. And that's all it takes. This is only available on Abbado.com and it has no fees. So get started now. And remember, you can email us or message us if you ever need help. Remember, everything we do is free for life. And we're here to help you every step of the way if you ever need any assistance. Do not waste your time. Get started right away.